discuss very short answer questions of the electromagnetic induction. Page number 140 now. Page number 140. Okay? All questions explained clearly to look here. The question number 1 Nana. The question is, what did experiments of Faraday and Henry show? This is the question. What did experiments of Faraday and Henry show? I explained this VSAQ Nana very easily to see here. This is the coil. This is the magnet. Magnet has two poles. One is south pole, other one is north pole. Here Nana, magnet moves towards the coil. Magnet moves towards the coil. Here magnetic lines, magnet moves towards the coil. Here magnet lines increases. Once again I repeat, magnet moves towards the coil in the situation. Okay, magnetic lines increases. Simply B increases. What happens to the flux? Flux B changes. Flux also changes. Flux changes. EMF develop in the coil. Simply potential difference develop in the coil. Which will be flow? Current will be flow in the circuit. Simply change in flux to develop the EMF in the coil. This is the Faraday and Henry show. Once again, only single word to write the answer. Faraday and Henry show change in flux to develop the EMF in the coil. Completed. 4. Second question is, define magnetic flux. Magnetic flux denoted by phi. The mathematical formula is B bar dot A bar. Simply, this is the sum area. Here, how many lines are passing? One line. Flux is 1. Here, how many lines are passing? 2 lines. Flux is 2. Here, 3 lines is passing. Flux is 3. Simply, number of magnetic lines passing through given area. Once again, magnetic flux is defined as number of magnetic lines passing through given area is called magnetic flux. Its SI unit, the scientist name Weber. Okay? Here, full form. B bar dot A bar write as BA cos theta. Here, theta is angle between B and A. Okay, second question complete. Faraday's laws. Faraday's laws. Third question. Faraday, the scientist named Faraday, in the chapter to give 2 laws. This is first law. First law is change in flux to develop the EMF in the coil. What is the first law? Change in flux to develop the EMF in a coil. What is the Faraday second law? Faraday second law is formula none. Here, this is the formula. According to this formula, look here. Induced EMF is developed in the coil is equal to denominator time is called rate, D change, phi flux. Look here. Induced EMF developed in the coil is equal to rate of change of magnetic flux. Okay, once again, what is the Faraday first law? Change in flux to develop the EMF in the coil. Same nana, look here. Second law, induced EMF in the coil equal to rate of change of magnetic flux. Okay? Lenz law. What is the Faraday second law? Faraday second law is E induced equal to d phi by dt. Here minus is given by the scientist Lenz. Some correction is occur in the Faraday second law. The scientist Lenz gives here minus. What is the meaning of minus? Here induced EMF developed in the coil opposes the rate of change of flux. Simply developing EMF in the coil, oppose rate of change of flux. Simply, for example, here this is the coil carrying a current I. Here in the circuit current growth, because of current changes EMF develop in the coil. This developing EMF opposes the growth of the current. Simply developing EMF oppose the growth of current. This law is called Lenz law. Lenz law follow law of conservation of energy. Simply, according to Lenz, here energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy converted one form to other form. Here mechanical energy will be converted into electrical energy. Look here now. What happens to mechanical energy when conductor moves in the uniform magnetic field? This is the short answer question. First short answer question. Here, let us consider rectangular frame PQRS. Here, PQ length is L, breadth is X. This frame is placed in the magnetic field. Here, PQ is the movable wire. It moves towards the left. Here, area decreases. What happens to the flux, Nana? Flux changes. Flux changes Faraday second law, which will be developed EMF. EMF is nothing but the potential difference. Here, which will be flow? Current. Simply, mechanical conductor move, which will be flow? Current. Simply, here mechanical energy will be converted into electrical energy. Only single word. What happens to the mechanical energy here? mechanical energy will be converted into electrical energy according to Lenz law. Next question, Nana, I discuss eddy currents. In the eddy currents, Nana, this is the magnetic field. Look here. This is the metal plate. Here metal plate moves towards the magnetic field. Here magnetic lines on the metal plate increases. Simply flux changes. Flux changes according to Faraday's second law. EMF developed on the metal plate. EMF is nothing but the potential difference. According to electricity, because of difference in potential, current flow. Here, circular currents are developed on the metal plate. These circular currents are called eddy currents or Foucault currents. Metal plate moves towards the magnetic field. Here circular currents are developed. These circular currents are called eddy currents. Seventh one, Nana. Very short answer question. Seventh one. Inductance. Very important, Nana. Look here. This is the coil, Nana. Here current growth. According to Oersted experiment, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field around the wire. That means this current to produce the magnetic field around the wire. Current vary, field also vary. Here current increases, magnetic lines also increases in the coil. Magnetic lines changes, flux changes. Here magnetic lines changes, flux changes. Change in flux to develop the EMF in the coil. In the coil, this induced EMF oppose the original current. This is, Nana, inductance is the property, Nana, in the coil which will be developed EMF. Once again I repeat, inductance is a property of the coil, Nana. Here EMF develop. This is oppose the original current. Okay? Once again I repeat. Look here. This is the coil. This is another coil. Current passing this coil. According to Oersted experiment, current carrying wire to produce a magnetic field around the wire. This current to produce the magnetic field. Varying current, varying magnetic field. Change in magnetic flux to develop the EMF in the coil. In the previous situation, current passing through the coil, EMF developed in the same coil. That is called self-induction. Here, current passing through one coil, EMF developed in another coil. This is called as mutual induction. Simply, induction is a property of the coil. It always produced due to current varying in the coil. It always due to current varying in the coil. Okay? This is the inductance. Today, last VSAQ I can explain, Nana. The explained VSAQ is self-induction. inductance nana. What is the meaning of self-inductance? Here, look here. We know that flux formula, current passing through the coil, flux developed in the same coil. Flux formula is L. According to this formula, L, self-inductance formula is phi by I. We know that definition right, current taken as 1. Simply, self-inductance is numerically equal to magnetic flux. Self-inductance is numerically equal to magnetic flux when 1 ampere current flows through it. Once again, self-inductance numerically equal to magnetic flux when 1 ampere current passing through it. Self-inductance SI unit is, flux unit is Weber, current unit is ampere. Overall, the scientist name is Henry. Okay, these are most important VSIQs. All will be revised and practice by using rough notes. Today electromagnetic induction totally completed. Yesterday I complete alternating currents. The 2 chapters weightage is nearly 10 marks in the final exam.